In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Threads account. All right, you won't be able to do it on the Instagram app. Now, the way to do so is just by going to our Threads app. In here, go ahead and open it up. Now, once it's opened, go ahead over to your profile at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and find these two horizontal lines right here on top of your profile picture. All right, just tap on it. Now, here we would want to find account right here. Tap on it and just find deactivate or delete profile right here. I'm just going to tap on it. Now, as you can see, we have two options. You can just go ahead and deactivate your profile, which is temporary, or delete it, which is permanent. All right. Now, as the title suggests, we would want to delete our Threads account. And here's a quick note here. It only applies to your Threads profile. Your Instagram account will not be deleted or deactivated. All right. Just go ahead and tap on delete profile right here, which has a red font. All right. Just tap on it. And as you can see, there will be a prompt. You will have to log in order to permanently delete your Threads profile. All right. Just enter your password right here. All right. And once done, hit on delete and your profile will be permanently deleted. And as you can see here, another important note, your Threads profile, content, likes, and followers will be hidden before being permanently removed in 30 days. So once you hit on delete right here, all of these right here will be available in 30 days. And after that, it will be completely gone. And in here, there will be a prompt, your Threads profile will be deleted on April 5, which is 30 days from now. You won't be visible on Threads between now and then. You can cancel the deletion before this date by logging into Threads. I'm just going to hit on OK. If you log back in using this button right here, well, the deletion process will be stopped. All right. Your account will then be active again. All right. And there you have it. And that's how you delete your Threads account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.